Hey there, fellow money enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of investing? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 powerful money strategies from 50 investing books. So, grab a pen and paper because you're about to unlock the secrets to financial success. Let's dive in. Strategy 1. Diversify, diversify, diversify. This principle can be found in books like The Intelligent Investor and A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Remember, putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky move. Spread your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk and optimize returns. Strategy 2. Always do your research. Books like Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits and One Up on Wall Street emphasize the importance of thoroughly understanding the companies you invest in. Knowledge is power, my friends. Strategy 3. Be patient. As Warren Buffett once said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Books like The Little Book of Common Sense Investing and The 4 Pillars of Investing highlight the significance of long-term thinking and avoiding impulsive decisions. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Strategy 4. Budgeting is crucial. Your money or your life and the Total Money Makeover teach us the importance of managing our finances wisely. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and prioritize your spending. Remember, every dollar counts. Strategy 5. Understand market trends. Books like Mastering the Market Cycle and Reminiscences of a Stock Operator shed light on the significance of studying market patterns and cycles. This knowledge can help you time your investments and make smarter decisions. Strategy 6. Continuous learning is key. Books like The Essays of Warren Buffett and The Psychology of Money remind us that investing is an ongoing process. Attend workshops, read articles, and stay informed about the latest developments in the financial world. Strategy 7. Seek professional advice. Books like The Boglehead's Guide to Investing and The Investment Answer highlight the benefits of consulting with financial experts. A trusted advisor can provide personalized strategies and help you navigate the complexities of investing. Strategy 8. Monitor your investments. The Little Book That Beats the Market and The Warren Buffett Way stress the importance of regularly reviewing your portfolio. Stay updated on market trends and make necessary adjustments to optimize your returns. Strategy 9. Have a growth mindset. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad and Think and Grow Rich remind us that belief in oneself is key to financial success. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and never stop seeking opportunities for growth. Strategy 10. Give back. Books like The Soul of Money and The Most Important Thing Illuminated teach us the importance of sharing our wealth with others. A generous heart and a charitable mindset can bring about a sense of fulfillment and make a positive impact on the world. And there you have it, folks. 10 powerful money strategies curated from 50 investing books. I hope this video has inspired you to take charge of your financial future. Remember, knowledge is useless unless put into action. So, pick up those books, start investing, and make your money work for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.